What's cooking, foodies? Today we are making copycat Starbucks Cranberry Bliss Bars. Here are our ingredients, and they can be found in the description box below. To a large bowl, add your butter, sugar, and brown sugar. Mix until combined. Next, add an egg and vanilla and mix again. Add milk and orange zest. It's normal for the mixture to look curdled at this stage. Time to add flour, baking powder, and salt. Mix until smooth. Do not forget to scrape down the edges. Time to add your white chocolate and dried cranberries. Fold them gently into the dough. Line a 9 by 9 inch baking dish with parchment paper and spray with cooking oil. Pour in the batter. Bake at 350 degrees Fahrenheit for 30 minutes. To make the frosting, add powdered sugar and softened room temperature cream cheese to a large bowl and mix. Allow bars to cool for about 10 minutes, then remove from the pan, cool completely before frosting. Add your cranberries. Melt your white chocolate in the microwave in 10-second intervals, stirring in between with a fork till melted. Drizzle chocolate with a fork in a diagonal pattern over the bars. Place bars in the fridge for 30 minutes or longer to firm up before cutting and serving. Pro tip, make sure to wipe your knife after each cut for cleaner looking bars. Once your bars are cut into squares, cut those bars diagonally and enjoy.